but that defeats the purpose of... Hi everyone. So when designing integration tests, our concern is to make sure that we call expected methods and that we don't make call to unexpected methods. Do this by using mocks, and in Mockito, in order to do this, we usually use verify, and verify will check that certain expected method has been called or not. You can also use verify to check if the call has been made with the right parameter. But the point is that at the end, we can also call verifyNoMoreInteractions to make sure that in between there has not been any call to a method that we did not expect it to have happened. In MockK, mocked instances do not have implementations by default. And so if we happen to make an unexpected call in our test, that will result in an exception. It will result in an exception much earlier than during the verify phase. And that is why in MockK, we only need to verify that the right methods have been called, because the unexpected calls are already covered by the fact that they have not been implemented. In MockK, though, we can skip this behavior and use relaxed when defining our mocked instances. But that defeats the purpose of making the detection of unexpected calls much earlier in the process of while running our integration test. So I hope this helps understand the difference between Mockito and MockK. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep it graceful and stay sharp.
As a short disclaimer, I'd like to mention that I'm not associated or affiliated with any of the brands eventually shown, displayed, or mentioned in this video.